Guys, this is Dustin from Mosites Motorsports. Today we're checking out the new Can-Am motorcycle. This is the Origin. This is a full electric model, 47 horsepower with 90-mile range. It does have the full KYB suspension with integrated forks right up front. Onboarding charging located right there. You can plug right in, get all charged up. Come around to the back, you do have the link system. You can add a bunch of different accessories on there. Up front here, you have the clutchless direct drive transmission with reverse actually on there. 10.25-inch screen right up front. Great news, guys, we do have the Origin. We will have the Pulse that is like the street model as well. 4605 Campbells Run Road.